A few days ago, I came across one of those viral weight loss ads that instantly felt suspicious. The video starts with dramatic claims about a so-called gelatin trick that supposedly melts stubborn fat, resets your metabolism, and helps people lose weight rapidly without strict dieting, intense workouts, or expensive medications. And honestly, the way it was presented looked less like a health product advertisement and more like a breaking news segment. The ad uses medical-style graphics, emotional storytelling, celebrity references, and what appears to be expert commentary to make everything sound incredibly convincing. But eventually, after several minutes of hype, the real goal becomes obvious. The entire video funnels viewers toward a supplement called Burn Slim. According to the marketing, Burn Slim is supposed to work alongside this mysterious gelatin recipe to activate fat-burning hormones, increase metabolism, reduce cravings, and help users lose large amounts of weight naturally. At first glance, it sounds impressive. But once I started looking deeper into the claims, things became a lot more questionable. One of the biggest red flags is the so-called gelatin trick itself. The advertisements heavily tease this secret recipe throughout the video, constantly suggesting that doctors don't want people to know about it and that it's somehow connected to dramatic weight loss results. But if you actually watch closely, the recipe is never properly revealed. Instead, the entire presentation slowly shifts into a sales pitch for Burn Slim capsules. That alone raised concerns for me because it feels less like educational content and more like a marketing funnel designed to keep people watching until they reach the checkout page. Then there are the celebrity and doctor endorsements. Many versions of these ads appear to feature public figures, television personalities, and medical experts supposedly supporting the product or discussing the gelatin weight loss method. But when I looked for verification, I couldn't find reliable evidence showing that these people actually endorsed Burn Slim. In fact, multiple investigations have pointed out concerns about AI-generated videos, manipulated footage, and misleading endorsement-style marketing being used to promote products like this. Another thing that stood out is how heavily the website relies on scientific-sounding language. But despite all those claims, I couldn't find strong independent clinical research proving that Burn Slim itself delivers the dramatic results shown in the advertisements. And that's an important distinction. Research on individual ingredients is not the same thing as proving the finished product actually works as advertised. The marketing also creates a huge sense of urgency. Limited stock warnings. Countdown timers. Massive discounts. Bonus offers. Claims that thousands of people are currently watching. These are classic pressure tactics often used to push customers into making fast purchasing decisions before taking time to research the product properly. Then I started looking at customer feedback outside the official website. And honestly, the reviews became much more mixed. Some people reported seeing little or no noticeable weight loss after weeks of use. Others complained about refund difficulties, customer support problems, delayed responses, and challenges getting their money back despite advertised guarantees. What makes all of this even more concerning is that the marketing often presents Burn Slim as if it's some revolutionary breakthrough capable of producing results similar to powerful prescription weight loss treatments. Yet there doesn't appear to be independent evidence supporting those kinds of dramatic comparisons. When you put everything together, the secret gelatin recipe hook, the questionable endorsements, the aggressive sales tactics, the lack of strong clinical proof, and the customer complaints, it starts looking much less like a scientific breakthrough and much more like another heavily marketed weight loss funnel built around viral advertising. So if you've been seeing these Burn Slim ads online, I'd strongly recommend doing your own research and approaching the claims carefully before spending money.